Hey friends! Welcome back to today's video. With March quickly approaching, the Galaxy A55 and A35, Samsung's upcoming mid-range Galaxy phone lineup, won't be too far off. All the information regarding the more expensive option, the Galaxy A55, that has been released thus far can be found here. Regarding the A55, Samsung has not released any official information or teasers, but there is a good deal of information available in the form of rumors, leaks, and reports. First off, a number of design renders that have appeared online have given us a good idea of the phone's potential appearance. We also know a little bit about what Samsung has planned for the Galaxy A55's camera system, the chipset that will power it, and a few educated guesses to fill in the remaining blanks. Even though there are currently more rumors and leaks than actual leaks, it is still feasible to construct an image of the A55. Now let's begin with the design and color. Some users may find it difficult to differentiate between Samsung's flagship S series and the Galaxy A series due to their similar aesthetics. But this time, it's anticipated that the Galaxy A55 will have one little yet noticeable design update to set it apart from the competition. Check out the ensuing renders of the Galaxy A55 to see if you can identify this design modification. Did you see it? The key island is a hump or island that houses the power and volume buttons on the side of the device. The top and bottom of the island slope downward and integrate into the aluminium frame. Samsung initially tried this design on the even more affordable Galaxy A15 and A25 models. In addition to the key island, the renders reveal that Samsung designed the Galaxy A55 to have rounded corners and flat sides, just like the S24 series. The A55 would likely feel like holding a Galaxy S24 Plus due to its greater size. There haven't been any leaks in terms of protection, but we anticipate Samsung to maintain the IP67 dust and water resistance classification and use Gorilla Glass Victus, an upgrade from Gorilla Glass 5, to shield the A55's display. Three options, Awesome Ice Blue, Awesome Lilac, and Awesome Navy, have been mentioned in terms of color. It is possible that some will only be available to orders placed via Samsung's website, although this is not guaranteed. In contrast to certain other competitors like OnePlus, Samsung offers a rather straightforward unboxing experience for the Galaxy A55. The Galaxy A54 was shipped without a case, screen protector, or charger. The phone itself, some paperwork, and the charging wire were the only items inside. For the A55, we anticipate the same. After that, we'll discuss the display. Given that it is a Samsung phone, the Galaxy A54's display is reasonably attractive, but it falls short in many areas when measured against more modern benchmarks. In light of this, we anticipate Samsung will increase the brightness from 1000 nits to a minimum of 1650 nits. Naturally, it will also carry over the excellent features of the A54's display, such as compatibility for HDR10+, Samsung's own standard for HDR content, and a 120Hz refresh rate for fluid gaming and animation. The A55's display may have grown somewhat in size from its predecessors, measuring 6.4 inches to 6.5, but this should not come as a major surprise considering how huge it already is. Regarding biometrics, Samsung has not yet incorporated an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner into one of its low-cost phones. It is quite probable that this will not alter with the release of the Galaxy A55. It wouldn't be too much of a letdown, though, as the company's mid-range phones still use optical fingerprint readers that are remarkably quick and precise. We shall now discuss the camera. Unfortunately, according to certain rumors, the Galaxy A55 will retain the 5 megapixels macro camera found on the A54. This is obviously a bit of a disappointment because the A55 would have a distinct advantage over its primary rival if it included a telephoto camera. However, the absence of a telephoto camera is not all that shocking. The 50 megapixels primary camera and the 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, however, are reportedly part of the same camera setup. The good news is that enhanced camera performance and improved image quality are anticipated with the new chipset. If we discuss performance and software, the chipset will likely be one of the few and primary modifications in the Galaxy A55, since it appears to be a relatively modest update to the A5X series. Samsung put its own Exynos 1380 processor inside the A54 last year. This year, the new mid-ranger should be powered by the Exynos 1480. In terms of RAM, the US edition of the Galaxy A5X models currently come with 6 GB, but there's a good probability that this amount will rise to 8 GB, which will make the phone more capable of managing several processes at once and more future-proof. When it came to the software support offered for their phones, Samsung was the top provider until recently. but Google stole that honor last year when it extended its software support to 7 years. Samsung promptly responded by extending the launch window for its top Galaxy S24 series by 7 years. It remains to be seen if buyers of the Galaxy A55 will likewise be eligible for those additional years. As of right now, we anticipate that it will, which would be quite advantageous for the A55 because its primary rivals do not provide this kind of support at this cost. We are anticipating 6 to 7 years of significant OS updates for the Galaxy A55, compared to the A54's 4 years. We will then discuss battery life and charging after that. As we discovered via testing on Phone Arena and other reliable websites and channels, the Galaxy A54 boasts a 5000 mAh battery that will easily last you a whole day. It can be charged at a maximum speed of 25 watts, which can juice it up from 0 to 100% in roughly 1 hour and 21 minutes. We anticipate the A55 to have the same level of battery performance as its predecessor since there are no rumors about it having a bigger battery or charging more quickly. If the new chipset is more power efficient, the only thing that could change is the battery life. But don't hold your breath waiting for wireless charging. The likelihood of Samsung implementing that functionality is currently low. We will now discuss haptics and audio quality. The Galaxy A54's speakers produced audio that left us feeling quite let down. At greater volumes, there was a noticeable distortion of the music, particularly in the lower frequencies where the bass should reside. While we hope that Samsung will make some improvements in this area, the somewhat underwhelming performance of the Galaxy S24 speakers gives the impression that the firm is not giving this feature of its phones much thought at the moment. When discussing its competitors, the Galaxy A55 is anticipated to retail for $449, the same amount as its predecessor was when it was first released. Although there is a remote possibility of a $50 price increase, Samsung offers a plethora of discounts and incentives, including pre-order promotions, so this problem would be readily alleviated even if it does turn out to be the case. Thus, two competitors that immediately spring to mind in this price range are the recently released OnePlus 12R and the Pixel 7a from the previous year. The OnePlus is now a true beast, deserving of the moniker flagship killer phone. The Pixel 7a, on the other hand, is falling short in a few areas. However, remember that the Pixel 8a is expected to launch in May and will surely provide more of a challenge to the Galaxy A55. Finally, we will now discuss the summary and final verdict. It appears that Samsung is having some issues with the Galaxy A55. All it has going for it, if any of that gizmo that came with the Galaxy S24 series is absent, are extended software support, an improved CPU, and a fresh design. Of course, there's still a lot we don't know about the A55, so there's still room for surprises to improve its competitiveness in the mid-range phone market, but for now, it looks like this year's competition may be too fierce. It will be some time until Samsung makes their anticipated announcement of the Galaxy A55 and A35, so stay tuned as we will be posting a fresh video with any new information that comes to light. That's it for today. See you in the next amazing video. Stay connected with the Gadget Files for your dose of tech brilliance. Keep exploring, keep innovating.